Okay, and our next task is to take out this gear stick cables or gear stick bars, that bar in here, this locking pin what is in here. And this is interesting job, and let's go to look at how we do that. Okay, and now let's look in here what we need to do. There is this locking pin. It is this small part in here what we can maybe see now. This part, that part what I am touching in here, and I have to pull out this small part in here. And for that job I need pliers. Okay, and we need really pliers what are small, and when I install this plier in here, first I can actually move this shaft in. Now we can see better. There is this pin, that one, and now I only pull out this pin in here, very thin. Now we can see this is gear stick pin, that part. And if you lost that, don't worry, you can go to purchase new pin from the BMW original sales center, spare part desk. This cost about $7 per piece, made in Germany. And this really locks this gear stick bar. Our next step is to take this gear stick bar away so that I only move that little bit left. It can be tight. Okay, it is not. I need screwdriver next. Okay, and here is my screwdriver. And when I bend that little bit in here, this should be open. Yes, now it's open. This is a little bit more complex than hamburger eating. Okay, it is almost ready. Sometimes it opens easily, but sometimes not. It is almost free. Now this part is free, and now we can see also this metal pin position. And this is really gear stick bar, very high quality steel. Look, 1mm steel, excellent engineering by German car maker BMW. This is well made part. This is maybe tested 1 million times. And now this part is ready, and then we open next pins. Okay, and next part is to take out this gearbox rear support bars locking pins, and these are these part in here. And when we pull out this, we need now big flathead screwdriver that we can open that side and in that another side also. There is two sides of these pins. Interesting engineering, and I need big screwdriver. And now I really need big screwdriver. This is like 1 feet 30 centimeter big flathead screwdriver, and using that tool we can take these pins easily away. Okay, and here is my big flathead screwdriver, and using this screwdriver I can bend easily these pins away in here. Or at least I think. Now it opens, look. First one, and then I can bend this pin in this way away in here. That one, look. This is locked in pin. And in this position I can take my fingers and I can carefully pull out that part. There is this part, really interesting German engineering and difficult to take out if you don't have this big screwdriver. And these are really tight and actually very thin tolerances and tight connection. And there are similar part in this another side, and I take also this one away. Okay, and now this another one is also free in here, and I can carefully remove this second pin in here. Good. Okay, and after that we have next final task, that we have to take this steel bar away in here and move that in a little bit in this right side position, like in far away in here, in that kind of position. Excellent. Now it's like free when we remove this gearbox and engine.